Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. Sorry I haven't made a couple videos in a couple days. Sorry I sound a little robotic. I'm a little sick right now, so that's why. But you know, show must go on, so don't mind the robotic voice. But in today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless and their 3-month unlimited prepaid plan and SIM kit. So guys, Visible Wireless, they are run through Verizon. Basically, they use Verizon's network. It's under Verizon's umbrella, so it's pretty nice. Kind of the same thing what Cricket is. Cricket Wireless is to AT&T, so it's pretty cool. Now, I've used Visible Wireless for 3 months, a little bit more than that actually, and I have some things to say, but Visible is really good in big areas, big cities, not so good in rural areas. But yeah, let's look at it. So Visible Wireless only basically offers one plan. It's $40 a month. That's unlimited talk, text, and data, guys. That's basically real unlimited data. There's not much of a cap on there, so it's really nice. But right now you can get 3 months for $60 a month. So it's pretty cool. It's a lot cheaper than $40 a month. So it comes out to be $20 a month. So it's pretty good. So it says 3 months of service plus SIM activation kit. So the SIM activation kit is basically a SIM card, unlimited data, messaging, and minutes, all powered by Verizon. See if we're compatible at visible.com/switch. $60. You can only get this through Walmart.com. You cannot get this at the physical Walmart store. You can only get it through this online deal. So it says unlimited data, messaging, and minutes. Powered by Verizon, 5G included, so you do get 5G included with Visible Mobile, which is nice, and it does run on Verizon's network. You do get unlimited hotspot as well, but it is capped at 5 megabits per second, I believe. We'll take a look in just a little sec. Free mobile hotspot included, so that's really nice. And it says calling and texting to Canada, Mexico, and Puerto Rico, so real nice. Let's go to Visible's website, which is right here. It says Visible Wireless that makes the holiday happier. It says get unlimited data for as low as $25 a month plus free earbuds and virtual gift card. So that's something they have for the holidays, but we're not talking about that. Let's look at their plan. So to get $25 a month, guys, you have to have a party of, I believe, 4 or more people to get that. So, but you can. Let's look at the plan shop. Here we go. Plans. Here's their plan. It's $40 a month unless you do party pay. But here we go. It says, get to know Visible plan. Check out everything our plan has to offer. Unlimited data, messaging, and minutes powered by Verizon. 5G is included as low as $25 a month. Remember, that includes party pay, so or basically a family plan. Get to know the Visible plan. Unlimited everything, no hidden fees. That is true, guys. Get unlimited data, messaging, and minutes you love without hidden fees or erasing your costs. Calling to Canada and Mexico is included, which is really nice. Some carriers don't even offer that, or offer that for an extra price. It's nice that you get it for free. All the hotspot usage you can handle. There's no data limit on your hotspot usage, so feel free to stream wherever you are. 24/7 access to human assistance. It says one plan. Here it goes. 2 ways to save. It says our standard plan is $40 a month. So like I said, they have one plan. That's $40 a month. That gets you unlimited everything, unless you do the party pay. So it says our standard plan is $40 a month after your first month, but since wireless only gets better with friends, we created a few ways you can keep saving by inviting everyone to Visible. It says party pay. Joining party, pay as low as $25 a month. So like I said, this is nice. You can do this $60 a month plan through Walmart and get it as low as $20 a month. And then after that's over, you can also join a party. There's also Reddit groups where you can just join a party. I was actually able to join my friend's party pay, kind of family plan thing. He just sends me. It's so easy. They just send you an email with a link. You click that and boom, you got it. So it says, me the Visible version of a friends and family plan. Cut your service costs to $25 a month when you join or start a party with at least 4 people. parties have no limits on participants, so invite away. So you can have as many participants as you want. You can have 50 people on there. I think our group had 12 people, and it says don't have 4+ people in your party, no problem. Even parties of 3 or less still safe. So to get the full $25 a month savings, you need to have 4 people at least. To get that, you still get everything here included, everything unlimited. So if you have 1 line, it's 40, 2 lines, 35, 3 lines, 30, and then 4 or more, it's $25 a month. So pretty cool, guys. Remember, the coverage is through Verizon. So they even have an upgrade plan, swap program. Everything's really good with Visible. I like them. The only thing that made me switch from Visible Wireless was that they did not give you priority data, and I believe I was reading something, it goes through like a server or something like that. So basically your internet is almost useless if you're in a real congested area, guys. The ping is super high. That's the main thing that I had issues with. The ping is high. My data wouldn't even load in, even if I had full bars. Like I said, that wasn't the case everywhere, but a lot of the time when I was using them, their data was just useless for me. Like I said, now if you live in a big city, it might be better for you, but for me, it just didn't work out. So that's the whole reason I decided to leave Visible, but overall they are pretty good. So really nice company. You can even do bring your own Apple Watch. I'm telling you, they just need to fix a couple things with it, but overall I think Walmart has a good deal with everything that they have going on. Can't complain too much of it. And like I said, it's Visible Wireless. Basically, like I said, it's Verizon, so can't complain there. So guys, that's the video. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you be switching to Visible Wireless for $40 a month or $25 a month? But right now, like I said, 3 months for $60 a month, can't beat that right now with nice little partnership with Walmart. So it's pretty good to have. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I have a lot more videos coming your way once I get rid of this cold, guys. I think it's going to be a good time to make more videos. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you want to support the channel, check out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds your best promo codes and discounts on popular shopping websites. The link will be in the description below. Check it out. Once you download it and save some money, it makes me get a small kickback. So thank you, guys.